Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I am at Kingston RC Raceway. This is in the basement of the Errands on Bath Road. So if you're looking for it, you can find it on Facebook, Kingston RC Raceway. This is primarily a 1/10 scale track, but today we're doing March Mini Z Madness. So you come down the stairs here, and this is a CRC black carpet track. That's probably one of the first tracks in Ontario that got CRC black. It's one of the original batches of CRC black, so it's like super grippy. If you ever come here on 10 scale, be prepared that this has higher grip than most of the current batches of black carpet. Anyway, we're doing Mini Z today. This is going to be a Mini Z trophy race, kind of championship style, and the track layout is kind of like a Grand Prix. So I like how big the track is. This is pretty cool, and we will be driving from that driver stand up there. It's a 2-tiered driver stand, although for Mini Z we'll probably only be 6 drivers at once, so we'll just use the lower level. There is one pole in the view, but it doesn't look to be obstructing too much, and Brad Halstad is checking in the cars here. Pits are all around the outside. This facility has a canteen and a bathroom and stuff and restaurants in the area, so if you ever come here for a 10 scale race or a Mini Z race, they got facilities to take care of you. What's up? And yeah, we're just getting deployed here in the pits, and we got to get ready for racing today. So I'll be racing 2 cars, my box stock P1 GTR MR03 and a AAA Super Stock with the MR04 LM Mazda 787B. Kingston RC Raceway for Mini Z Madness March 2025. So we just started the mains. We've gone through our 3 quals so far today, and in box stock I really struggled. I was for some reason my box stock car was just nearly undrivable on this track, which has the smooth side up. I've been racing on my Wednesday night races with the rough side up. Anyway, on this track with smooth side up, the car was just very much undrivable. I've had a setup with purple front springs, 10 shore rear tire, 30 shore front tire, and the soft T-plate for the whole time. Undrivable today. I've added the pickleball weights on the bottom for today. I've tried going to a harder front spring. It made it worse. I've now gone to the softest front spring because Dean Boudreau is running a fully soft setup on his car, and he's in the A. I'm in the D. I'm starting first in the D main. I'm going to try and get a bump up to the C. See if I get any better. I've just done a quick little lap test. I've put a different setup on this car for every qual so far, and it's gotten now to the point where it's a little bit better, but still not great. So I'm going to do my best. It's going to be rough. I've flipped back and forth on tires. I've tried different hardness of tires, different hardness of springs. There's not a whole lot more I can do to this because it's a box stock car. You can't really adjust the suspension much. I'm going to stick with the soft T-plate. Anyway, we're going to go out with the P1 GTR coming up next. D main. Box stock Mini Z. Here we go. D main. I'm kind of chuckling saying that. I'm usually in an A or a B, but really struggled with my box stock on this side of the carpet or the tiles. It's a much different driving experience compared to what I'm used to. We'll see if I can get around without the car flipping over or hard spinning into the wall. Hi. I've struggled getting my box stock car to hook up today. I can't figure out this side of the carpet on this car. My AAA, perfect. Box stock, garbage.
Having the same problem.
Yep. Anyway, so I've gone soft spring, and it's better. I've also tamed down my steering a bit.
Yeah. Line them up on the straight. John in number 1, Lauren in number 2, Darcy in number 3, Alan number 4.
Oh, start us on the paint. Whoa, slippery.
Tyler number 5.
All right.
Is your drive better?
Yes.
Oh, okay, I'm out with it.
It'll still, step out sometimes, but it's better.
Mine's really bad.
It's better. See, I think we did. You went to a harder front tire, right?
No, I think I was running the same tire, so I just figured it was worn differently and stuff.
Count of the tone, everybody goes at the same time. Nobody wins it in the first corner. Nice clean start, you guys.
All right, I got out clean. Yay. Oh. I'll try and block though. I don't have the confidence in the speed. Oh, he's got a fast car. Oh, I got ahead in first again.
Sorry. I might pull off. Oh, it's okay.
I'm not supposed to catch you.
Yeah.
Whoa, nice move. Oh, you pushed wide though.
Coming up on 3:30, John in the lead, followed by Darcy, Alan, Tyler, Patrick, and Lauren. Hot laps, 10.7 for John, 10.44 for Darcy, 10.94 for Alan, 10.92 for Tyler. Now a 10.85, 11.76 Patrick, a 15.1 Lauren.
I got caught in the wall. That's second place, breathing down my neck again. He's got the faster lap times. Oh, there we go. Now he's ahead. Oh, it still turns in too sharp. Ah! Once it starts to weave and I can't catch it. Oh, this is 1 and 2 again. Oh. Whoa, nothing there.
One minute 30 to go.
Well, there's first place parked sideways. Here we go.
Running order is Darcy, John, Tyler, Patrick, Alan, and Lauren. Darcy with a 9.8,
again with that.
10.7 for John, a 10.8
Break.
for Tyler, 11.7 Patrick, 10.9 Alan, 15.1 for Lauren. Seconds left on the clock. Careful on the straight, careful on the straight.
Leader's got almost a whole lap up on me, but we're still on the same lap. But
Clear.
I think I'm gonna get clipped here and at the line. Nope, one more. Yeah, Darcy got it.
Darcy wins it, followed by John, Tyler, Patrick, Allen, and Lauren. Way to go, Darcy.
Yeah,
Bring it
good
home
job.
for the club.
It was better, but as you saw, it would still suddenly grab and turn in too sharp on me. Hard to catch. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you're new here, subscribe. You want to talk, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. I gotta get out there in Marshall now, and then we'll go up in AAA Superstock next. And that one, I'm in the B main.